Welcome. If you're looking to manage how people can discover your LinkedIn profile using your email address, especially after the latest LinkedIn update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to control who can find you by your email address directly from your PC browser. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll access all your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings dashboard, where you can manage everything from your account preferences to your privacy controls. Next, on the left-hand side, find and click on the Visibility tab. This section is dedicated to managing who can see your profile and how you appear across LinkedIn and beyond. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Profile Discovery using email address. Click on it to enter the detailed settings. Here's where you can decide who is allowed to discover your LinkedIn profile using the email address linked to your account. LinkedIn gives you several options. You can choose to let only your first-degree connections find you, or expand it to include both your first and second-degree connections. If you want the tightest privacy, select just first-degree connections. If you're open to broader networking, first and second-degree connections might be the better choice. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control over who can discover your LinkedIn profile by your email address. This is a great way to balance privacy with professional visibility, ensuring you're only found by the people you want to connect with. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date LinkedIn tips and privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.